Welcome back, guys. It's great to see you. Awesome to see you. Today is 4-Minute Friday, and normally I've been doing photography tips, Snapseed, Lightroom, quick little hints. Make sure you check them out, don't forget to. But today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to throw a curveball right into the mix. So what I'm going to do is teach you how to tie a tie. Reason being is because I was asked today by a young lad, how do you tie a tie? I don't know. I don't know how to tie a tie. Can you teach me? Yeah, of course I can teach you. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel though, and I'll teach you. So I showed him, and I thought, you know, that's a great idea for my 4-Minute Friday. I'll do it. I'm sure there's plenty more videos, but he did say that he's checked it out. I haven't personally. He did say that he's checked it out on YouTube, but there's that many videos doing intricate ties and ridiculous knots that he doesn't need to know. He just wants to do a basic knot that's quick and easy, and he's off out the door. Like this. See that? That's quite a nice little knot, don't you think? I mean, I think so, but you know. So, how do you tie a tie? I was going to put a shirt on for this purpose, but my little boy's asleep upstairs and I don't want to wake him up, so you're going to have to cope with me in a t-shirt. Hope that's okay, if not tough. So what we want to do, we'll undo this, like that. Now you've got a fat end and you've got a thin end. That's the technical terms. It is in my video. So you've got the fat end, you've got a thin end. Right? So you want to make sure that the fat end is about a quarter of the length longer than the other side. You may have to adjust this, okay? It all depends on you. However long you want this. If you want this side quite long, you want to hang it quite low. Hang it quite low. Hang it low. I'm not sure. So we're happy with that length. Again, this goes on the right side of the body, this goes on the left side of the body. And what you're going to do, we'll do a quick action to quickly show you how quick it can be, quick and easy, rather than doing these silly little knots. You want to go straight over and across and round, loop it through the knot. You want to hold on to this one, pull that one tight, and up, go, off out the door to work. Job done, or school, whatever you want to do. So how do we do that? I'm sure you've just seen it, but I'm going to go nice and slow for you. I haven't got slow-mo on this camera, so you're going to have to make do with me going slow. So what we're going to do is take the fat one across the thin one. We're going to loop it round, okay, so like that. So you're going across again, essentially. And then you're going to pull it through the neck loophole, like that. Whilst holding it up here, you're going to grab through the first bit of knot that you've got there, and then you're going to tuck it straight in and pull it through with your other hand. And then hold in the thin one with your other hand, pull that one nice and tight and pull it up. And you can tuck the thin one into the fat one if you made it long enough, which I just haven't. But what we'll do it again. So across, through the neck, loop through there like so, and there you go, that's nice and tight. So there you go, guys, a nice quick simple tutorial how to tie a tie. Hope that helps you. Don't forget to, guys, slap that subscribe button, backhand the bell to keep up to date with all the latest uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow on a vlog. Ooh, yeah.